Today I'll be eating a random thing out of my grandma's fridge. Fruit number one. Well, the fruit of this video. Dragon fruit. Let's start cutting.
Oh. Yeah, long ways. Wait a minute, even. Is it hard?
I don't think I got a good knife. I didn't get a good knife. I'll go get a better
knives.
Okay, now give him
I
the
didn't
knife so
realize
it
you
looks...
were doing, Kinsley, you got the knife. I would have gotten him, well, that's good. I would have got him a different one. And that's just as good as
You should have kept it paused and made it.
And now, let's peel.
Hey, wait a minute. Let's look at him peel it. That's so cool.
Now do we eat it?
Let me get you another plate.
I want to cut it.
Can I please eat it?
Now put it on the plate and then you can slice it. How do you want to do it? You do it the way you want to.
Here, give this part to sister.
3, 2, 1.
It feels so weird.
It's good.
I want to peel it.
Really? I don't want any.
Oh my gosh. That feels so weird.
It's like a kiwi. No, get your hands off your pants.
Where's the napkin?
Oh, hold on. I'll probably...
Ew, ew.
Hold on, Kinsley. Let me get behind you so I can get a napkin.
I know how to fold a knife.
Here's a napkin.
I'm gonna only eat a little piece.
You need a napkin.
Anyways, let's get to the real eating.
Honey nut. What? Because I'm somebody good, Casey. But you'll never know when to try it. But take this honey nut.
The flavors I thought it...
Yes, in the office.
I don't really...
There's a stretch on my face. I don't know.
Me too. Kinsley, do you like it?
I'm pretending like I like it.
That's fine. You don't have to get it.
Nobody has to eat it if you don't.
I'm going to tell you something.
No reaction.